This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Crystal Growoski. Welcome home to 8321 Upper Perse Cir, Orlando in the highly sought-after Laureate Park neighborhood. This Jefferson model floor plan from Ashton Woods is the former model home and features some incredible details. The main home offers 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. The detached guest house provides a bedroom with full bath. This is an entertainer's delight, offering a formal living and dining room, large open family room with a bonus card room. The kitchen is a chef's dream, providing 2 large islands, propane gas range, built-in oven and microwave and wine cooler. Your Butlers Pantry is a great bar space or coffee bar area. Large closet pantry and breakfast nook features built-in bench seating with storage. Upstairs you will find your retreat rooms, and the primary suite is very large with room for extra living space or office space. You have a gas fireplace which provides a lovely ambience. Ensuite features a nice-sized walk-in shower, separate soaking tub, dual vanities, wonderful natural lighting and 2 walk-in closets with custom shelving. Your secondary rooms are well-sized and 2 offer a Jack and Jill style bath. There is a loft space with a wood platform, great space for family game nights, music area or fitness use. Your upper back balcony overlooks your magnificent pool area and outdoor living space. Speaking of pool, this pool offers a covered cabana space with outdoor gas fireplace. The covered cabana area is an ideal spot for s'mores nights, reading or just a nap in the shade. Your detached guest suite is 1 level and ideal for family or as an easy pool bath area. 3-car garage is detached and alley accessed. Your new home sits on a prime corner lot facing a lovely green park-like setting. You are a hop and skip to the community fitness center, aquatic center and to Canvas restaurant. Laureate Park's HOA includes tennis/pickle-ball court, aquatic center, fitness center, internet and mini park and playground settings. You have miles of walking paths and are in easy access to the Lake Nona Performance Club, Boxi Park, Nemours Children's Hospital, the VA Hospital, UCF Medical School, Valencia Community College, the USTA, KPMG and so many other innovative businesses and wellness options. Laureate Park is located approximately 15 minutes to Orlando International Airport, 25 minutes to downtown Orlando and an easy drive to the Space Coast. Nature lovers will delight with outdoor activities at Moss State Park, the many lakes in this area and biking options. Golfers have plenty of options and all are a short distance. Please click the link for the walkthrough video for a full tour of this beautiful home. For more information, review the details below or contact Crystal Growoski at 407-462-7736.